What's going on, guys? This is Andre, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how I made money online on Instagram. So I'm going to show you how I make money on Instagram, and I'm going to give you guys some tactics. I'm going to give you some tips that can help you as well, so you guys can improve these strategies in whatever business that you're trying to grow using Instagram. So I'm going to show you how I make money. So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. Subscribe to this channel. Show me some love by hitting that bell notification. So every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. And give this video a thumbs up as well. And if this is your very first time here and for my regular gang, you guys know the drill already. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And, feel free to share this with your peers, your friends, or anybody that you think this will benefit. All right, so don't be afraid to share this and share it, because sharing is caring. There's probably somebody out there that want to know how to grow their Instagram, how to make money on their Instagram. And what you're seeing on the background right now, that is my personal Instagram account. So if you guys want to drop a follow, feel free to follow me on Instagram. It is free to just hit a follow. I would like to, and let me know in any one of my pictures that I've posted that you actually saw my video on YouTube. So I wrote some things down here because I want to cover everything. And by the end of this video, you are going to leave with so much information and so much tactics, so much strategy, so many tricks about how I made money on Instagram. And sometimes I make, thousands of dollars using Instagram. And Instagram is free. There's free way, there's paid way. But what I'm going to share with you guys is free way, how you can get even more leads and more sales using the 6 tactics. So the first thing, I pull up my Instagram because I want to show visual so you guys can see what I'm talking about, right? So the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that you set up a business page, right? A business profile, that is the first thing. So how do you gonna set up a business profile? You definitely have to get a fan page from Facebook. So once you have a fan page, then you can link it to your business Instagram account. The first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that you have a nice profile picture. You got to upload a good profile picture. You can either use yourself or whatever business that you're trying to promote, but make sure it's clean. Don't just grab something from Google or whatever it is and just put it up there. Get something nice, get something clean, a very good, clean, good looking image, so you can put it up there. As you can see, that's my wife and I. The next thing you want to do as well, right? The second thing you want to include as well is make sure you include like your information. What is it that you do? Most people, you look at some Instagram account and they just barely have something there. Like, how are you going to run a business without having some information? So put things here so people can know exactly what it is that you do. Like, how are they going to know if you, so basically you're introducing yourself, and you don't even have to have a personal profile. But again, it could be, let's say you want to go into motivational niche, you want to go into luxury, you want to talk about, make money online, you want to target teens, you want to target college students, you want to target firemen, you want to, there's so many different people you could target, but make sure that whoever it is that you're trying to target, again, use some nice images. Right, so you want to include right here some information about you. And also, this is where you're going to put your link. So you're going to place your link in this area. So if you click on where it says edit, I'm on my computer right now, so it's probably going to show different when you're on a phone. But click on edit, make sure you put your, whatever affiliate link that you're trying to promote, right? So make sure you put it in here and create some great content, and always drive traffic back to your link. So let me show you a good tip that I learned. Like, sometimes I would say, hey, today I was super busy, doing my online business, or I was super busy at the office today, that I'm so excited to give you guys this one tip that will help you. So if you guys want to learn exactly what it is, I'm going to drop it today by midnight, right? And you want to put some form of like scarcity or some form of call to action. They call it CTA, call to action. Hey, by the way, I'm releasing this today, today or tonight at midnight, right? The first person, or the first 3 people that actually comment something or whatever is going to get access to this. If you guys want to get this before everybody else, right? If you want to get a preview before I even launch it on Friday or on Thursday or next week, I'm going to give you guys access to this first. So sign up for my newsletter. And then that's what you do. When you make a post, you're going to send them back to, hey, the link is going to be in the description. So if you guys want to check it out right now. So that's how you're going to get leads. That's how you're going to get sales, because your followers or people who ever follow you is going to they're going to know you, and they're going to trust you. So that way you're going to put it in and you're going to send them back to your affiliate link, right? The next thing you want to do is, again, the call to action button. Most people don't realize that there's a place on your mobile app where there's either phone call, you can call, you could text, or you can send an email. Some of you guys think that to send an email is good, but what that does, if you click on where it says email, it's going to take them off Instagram itself. So if you want to do where it says text or call, nobody's going to call unless it's like a business place, which is good. But if you want to collect hey, shoot me a text. So if they click on it, they could text you. That way, when they text you, you can talk to them via text. Hey, I found you on Instagram. All right, I got some new things coming out. Hey, by the way, here's a link. Boom, you get leads as well, right? So that is the third thing that you do. Number 4, right? Number 4, I wrote it down. It's going to be 6 of them. So stick around. Number 4 is use Instagram stories. I cannot stress enough. You guys have to use Instagram stories a lot, right? You guys are missing out on Instagram stories. It stays up for 24 hours. Use it as many times as possible. Again, put a call to action in there to lead them back to your link. And for the people that is over 10K or more, you can put in that swipe up, create a quick little template, a PDF, and just give it away. So you could be like, take a picture and be like, by the way, I have 5 new tips that are coming out, and I want you guys first to get it, right? Swipe up now. So if you don't eligible for swipe up, that's okay. You can still put it in your story and send them back to your bio right here, right? This is what I do. I consistently send people back here. And for the people that do swipe up, of course, you could put that swipe up in there. So even if you don't have a big, huge following, guess what? You can use these hacks, because remember, people are searching hashtags and all that kind of stuff. So definitely use hashtags, and whatever you post, send them directly back to your link. So I'm going to show you guys one of my posts. I do believe I said, where is it? Not this one, right? Not this one. But I consistently send people back to my affiliate link. Like, I think it's this one, right? Yeah. I said, learn how to make money. Shoot me a DM, right? Or sometimes I said, click on the link below. So I try to find viral content and content that is, people will watch. So my niche is make money online niche and, viral content. So I direct people back to here, or I tell them, hey, shoot me a message. And then when they say, hey, how do you, make money online? I talk to them for a little bit. And I said, by the way, if you guys want to get some, more information, click on the link in my bio, or I will send them a link or send them something that will get them going. And make sure you guys, number 5, make sure you guys are utilizing IGTV. I can't stress enough. If you guys create videos, and if you want to create a video, right, you can go ahead and create a video and use your IGTV. IGTV, click down here. It's hot. Like this one right here, I give away a free book on here. This one is another video. And I have multiple different IG accounts, by the way. Some of them are undercover. I'm just sharing this one with you right now. And the reason why, because most people don't know that I'm actually managing some of those Instagram accounts, right? So it's like, I don't post pictures of me on there, but there's viral Instagram accounts that I have that I use personally. And I manage everything using one phone. So people are saying they don't have time. Listen, make time. That's all you have to do. So make sure that you use IGTV. And number 6, right? Just combine IG stories with combine IG stories with other people's stories, right? Your followers. If people are following you, be like, hey, can you give me a shout out on your IG story, right? Some people will do it, and you don't have to get like huge influencers. You can find like micro influencers, people that have 1,000 followers, 2,000 followers. If you approach them, they have something going on. Look at their page and see if there's their potential. See if they post a lot. See if they actually engage on there. See if they have a lot of engagement. And it would be an honor. Sometimes some of those people would be like, wow, you're actually reaching out to me to do a post on my IG. Yeah, you just put it in your story. Some people do it, some people don't. It's normal. You're going to go through a no, 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 and somebody's going to say yes. So these are some free methods that I've used, and that's how I make money on Instagram all the time. It's just that you got to put the work in, most definitely. And whatever you put in, that's what you're going to get. So that's how I made money on Instagram. So I hope this helps, and share this with other people. Subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up. Welcome to the gang. If you guys want to learn how to make income online and learn all these things that I've been doing, check out the link down below where you can get some more information as well. All right. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day. It's your boy Andre. Peace.